Step 1, you go ahead and secure your discounted copy of Activate Your Income. Step 2, then you activate the software and let it do its thing. It takes just a few clicks to turn it on. Step 3, sit back and watch the cash blow in as this software keeps working for you forever. With automated software, it does the work for you while you're on vacation, watching a movie, or sleeping. I want you to picture what kind of perfect life you'd have when you're raking in cash without lifting a finger. You can have all the time you want with your family. You can take vacations when you want and for how long you want. You don't have to wake up to an alarm clock ever again. You can work from home or anywhere else. You don't have to drive and waste money on gas. You won't have a boss telling you what to do. I can tell you from personal experience, it feels like a brand new life.
Check out the link below to learn more. I am Chloe from dbus.com, and thanks for watching.